Museum of Fine Arts Houston is a special place. What makes it unique are the people who work here to bring you all the great shows and programs that we host each year. Here are some of our stories.
I came to the museum as a child. My mom worked at the Methodist Hospital right down the way, and after school she would drop me off here. When I was a kid, I had a huge problem with wearing glasses. So I like to get rid of my glasses a lot and walk around without really being able to see. It was really fun for me because I could see like the blurry colors and the swirls and feel like I was really in my own world. I knew that nobody else could see what I could see.
The girl in me like freaked. I was like, this is Oscar de la Renta. Like, you can't miss this. And then we actually got to see it in the control room as they were making it. So it's actually pretty cool. This dress is really amazing. I squealed geek out over it when I first saw it. Every girl can appreciate a pretty dress. Every girl, regardless of how tomboyish they are.
My favorite pictures are the sunlight as it comes in, so I try to catch the light as I go through. I can move about the gardens as the sun moves, and I can find different things. It's almost as if I'm being led around by some force. A lot of times the gardeners are working, doing their thing, and I can get some very beautiful candid shots of them.
Yo trabajo aquí en BioMem Museum de Fine Arts por 35 años.
Yo aquí entré un 16 de julio del 85 y voy a completar 33 años. Me ha gustado mucho el trabajo y pues todo lo que se hace de jardinería.
Y se llena aquí, muchas personas, ¿verdad? Mucha gente de todas partes, ¿verdad? Del mundo, yo creo que vienen. Y es muy bonito, vienen a ver el jardín, las flores, todo. Trabajar para limpiar y que quede limpio, ¿verdad? Quede bonito para la gente que va a venir a...
When we're lighting fabric, we have to pay close attention to the light levels. Generally, we don't go over 10-foot candles. In this case, there's an earring that could use a little more illumination. Don't know a whole lot about fashion, but I love the colors. I love the layout. I think it's a beautiful show. So we'll just take one of our cans, a 4-degree AR-111 lamp. As you can see, it brings out the whole outfit. I think that looks great.
It's a field that combines art history, and science, which is a really rare combination, and there's nothing else like it. So this particular painting, we've done 5 or 6 scientific tests to figure out exactly what she's made of, so we know where to stop and where to start removing and then leaving things alone. And that just helps us understand better what the original artwork should be like.
Ooh, I'm gonna put all of these in mine because you're gonna share, right?
I teach from 0 to 100. So there are programs for babies, for toddlers, teenagers, and adults, like master classes for art teachers.
Oh my gosh!
They are full of energy and full of creativity.
Normally, if I greet you at the door, once I say step in, that's it, I got them. Most people, they just open up and they're laughing and smiling, or they're just so content because you invited them in. It's just beautiful.
I'll never forget stepping off the yellow school bus when I was in 3rd grade at Sherrin Elementary School for my first official visit of the Museum of Fine Arts Houston. It was so exciting to come here with my class. Always the Museum of Fine Arts Houston was a place of wonder and discovery and excitement for me. And that's why it's so exciting to come back now and work here, because I can see in the eyes of those children the awe, the guilelessness, the enthusiasm that I experienced when I was visiting the museum for the first time. All of us at the Museum of Fine Arts Houston want to thank you for being part of our community. We can't wait to welcome you at our exciting new array of exhibitions, films, and programs this year, and for you to discover our new outdoor amphitheater, our roof garden, and our brand new public plaza. See you soon.